Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are working on the S2000. It needs an oil change and we have to fix some wiring. And probably in this same video, we are going to get new tires and an alignment. So with that being said, let's jump into it. This is River, my new pup. Say hello. He will start being a big part of the videos, I hope, here very soon. Whoa! And he's klutzy. Alright, let's get to work.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. Same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back.
No, we were just taking a nap, but now we're clearly playful. Hello. I'm gonna give him maybe like a 6 for the day for supervising. Is trying to take a nap on the job, but it is his first day, so you know, can't blame him.
They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.
There was also an oil leak, which is why this filter was so oily. It was leaking out of this tensioner here. Even though I already replaced it, I guess the gasket on it failed. So got the part warranted, replaced it. So hopefully no more leak.
Open enough just to see if I'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and It's you and
Okay, so I just wrapped up the oil change, got the little filter back out device on and secured. There's oil, everything should be good. My supervisor / assistant is still wiped out, so yeah, I'd say we're doing pretty good. He's on his best supervising duties, and gotta fix that wiring next, and then get tires and an alignment, and we should be good. Okay, so now we are about to head down to Rockstar Garage in Ontario and get this car aligned and get new tires. So I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Stopping to get fuel. Hopefully that's it. Yeah, we have a long drive ahead of us. It's like 90 miles away, so. I also somehow got the slowest pump in the world. It's going so slow. Right there was 1 gallon. That it took that long to get 1 gallon. I'm going to be late because of the gas pump. Okay, so made it down to Rockstar. Wheels are getting taken off, and we're about to put on the new tires, and then we're gonna go ahead and align the car, and then we should be good to go and hopefully all set for the track day coming up on Friday. So
mistakes, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and I.
Okay, so I forgot to film an outro, so it's another day, but the car is all prepped to go to the track on Friday. Super excited, and I'm very excited to drive the S2000, especially on new suspension. Unfortunately, it is going to be very hot, which I'm super bummed about, but it is what it is. I'm excited to drive nonetheless. So I will catch up with you guys in a few days at the track with the S2000. Peace out. I'll catch you in the next one.